Did you get your water in this morning? Did you get your water in this morning? Remember, water is good for your nails, water is good for your hair, water is good for your skin, water is good for your entire being, okay? Did you get your water in? Welcome to my channel. My name is Lori. If you're new here, welcome back to another video where again I'll be showing you all about my hair. If you have not yet seen my previous videos, please go over, watch those videos, give me a thumbs up and leave all your thoughts down below in the comment section. Did you see those videos about my red scalp drama? I know you didn't. Please go ahead and watch those videos and tell me all about what you think. In this video, I'm actually doing a hair vlog, and then I'm showing you what my hair looks like after I flat iron and what it really looks like after the whole hair drama. You have to watch those videos to know what I'll be doing this morning. Stay tuned for what is coming up next in this video. So I'm going to show you my hair actually. What my hair looks like, right? So as the intro says previously, so look at what my hair looks like now. So this is my hair actually after the flat iron. It's a little bit puffy, but I'm gonna let it out this morning for work. I'm not gonna catch it up in one. So this is what it really looks like. You see the color fading. My scalp is not so red anymore, which is good, right? So yeah, so after the flat iron, I flat iron like probably a week now, so it's getting a little bit puffy. I try as much as possible not to allow water to catch it, because if water catch it, it's gonna go back to its its natural look. A little bit dry. And this is the Carl's Daughter hair oil that I use in my hair. I really love it because it leaves my hair so soft. Just add some sheen to my hair. Let me step back a little. And my hair is actually, it's growing, right? It's actually growing. If you have not seen those videos where my hair was relaxed in my previous videos, I also have a playlist of my hair care videos. Go ahead, run that playlist, watch those videos as well, and then you'll see what my hair actually looks like before I decided to go natural. So going natural was a decision that was hard to make, but then when it really happened, then I'm like, yeah, I really love it. And then I realized that I can do the silk press, just like what you're looking at right now. I did the silk press. And the iron that I use, I'm going to show you the iron one day in another video. The iron that I use, it's the Revlon brand, but this one that I use, it goes up to 475 degrees. I stay at 450 whenever I flat iron my hair, because I find that temperature really gives me that silky look, straight silky bone look, as what you're looking at right now. My hair is really giving, right? So I don't have to add any more relaxer in my hair, right? But I am thinking of, changing the color. I'm thinking of bleaching my hair or something like that. I'm watching other videos, to see how they really transform just your natural black hair to the red hair. So that is something that I'm also looking into in doing as well, instead of adding bleach, because I understand that there are products, color products that you can use without even bleaching out your hair. So again, this is how I'm gonna leave my hair for work. Sorry. I like the C part, by the way. I love the C part. So should I go the C part? That is not C, that is a straight part. So should I go with the C part? Is this C part? Anyways, it looks like a C part. Well, anyway, this is my face feature with the C part, or should I go center part? Let's see. Let me know which one is your favorite down in the comment section. So this is the center part. I actually love center part as well. So this is my center part face feature. What's your thought? What do you think? Let me know down in the comment section. So I showed you the center part and I showed you the C part. I am so loving my hair. Sometimes I do regret, going natural, because sometimes I miss the straight, bone straight, relaxed hair straight. But sometimes I'm like, nah, I'm not going back, because I can actually still press my hair. I don't have to go back to the relaxed stage. But the thing is, my hair needs clipping. I don't think I can clip it myself. Because I wanted to clip evenly. If you notice the ends, they're not really even. So I believe I'll be going to a hair salon to get my ends clipped. Yeah, so this is my center part. Which is your favorite? Let me know down in the comment section. And of course, I'm not wearing any makeup. I am not really a makeup girl. I like to go natural. Of course, I just added my moisturizer to my face. And that's it. From time to time, I will really add makeup to my face, but I'm not really a makeup person. So for all my girls here who don't wear makeup or don't like wearing makeup, hey, you have company. You have a friend who don't either, right? I just like to rock my natural look, and that's what I've been doing for the past week. Add your moisturizer, take care of your skin, and you're good to go. So that's it, 360. So guys, let me know again down in the comment section what your thoughts. I think I'll be going with the center part this morning. It's giving. It's giving, right? It's giving. I got this brush from Love Me Hair when I ordered a wig. Guys, I so love it. I so love it. I actually get my eyebrows waxed. I think the girl did a really good job. I love the shape and all. I love the shape of my brows. She did a really good job. What do you think? Should I stick with the center part? Or should I go with the C part? Let me know. Let me come closer. Well, yeah, so that is my video for today. To leave all your thoughts down below in the comment section. Don't forget your thumbs up so other people can see these videos, and stay tuned for more videos. Bye.